After a company vehicle accident, stop the vehicle immediately, check for injuries, call emergency services if needed, move to a safe spot if possible, and report the accident to your employer and the police before doing anything else. Here's the thing most people don't realize: when you're driving a company vehicle, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also protecting your employer's insurance record and your own driving record at the same time. Every accident report becomes a paper trail that insurance companies and lawyers will look at for months or even years afterward. The first thing you should do is take photos of everything: the vehicles, the road, the weather, and any visible damage, because pictures tell a story that words can't always capture. You should also write down the names and contact information of any witnesses standing nearby, since they might move away or forget details later. One thing barely anyone talks about is that many company vehicles have hidden dash cameras or tracking devices that record speed and braking patterns, and this data often gets pulled automatically after a crash. That means honesty is your best friend here, because trying to hide details almost always backfires once that data gets reviewed. Also, never admit fault out loud at the scene, even if you think it was your mistake, because that determination should come from a proper investigation, not stress and adrenaline. One common mistake people make is forgetting to notify their employer right away, thinking they can handle it themselves first, but waiting even a few hours can create problems with insurance timelines, so always call your supervisor as soon as you're safe. Another misconception is believing that a minor fender bender doesn't need documentation, but small accidents can turn into big legal headaches later if injuries or damages show up days afterward, so document everything no matter how small it seems. A lot of folks also don't realize that refusing a drug or alcohol test after a company vehicle accident, even if you did nothing wrong, can be treated as an automatic policy violation. So always comply with your company's post-accident procedures right away. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.